Hi and welcome. As you can see right now, I'm covered in a little shadow as the sun is pretty strong outside right now. So we just have to get the best out of it. I want to try and craft a kawaii carrot. I have crafted one yesterday though. I took some inspiration around the internet, but I couldn't really find one where I was like, yeah, I want to try go after that. So I actually have to go after my own. But yeah, it could be fun trying to see if I can aim or hit a little similar to my own. Even though the other one is not that perfect, but I'm at least gonna try and see if I can make it similar. So let's begin. Alright, before we get started, I thought it could be fun to show you what I'm actually gonna try and make. Of course, it's not perfect, but I felt like it could be interesting to try and copy myself. And again, I haven't baked any of my creations as you already know, I'm gonna wait until I have more to bake. So yeah, let's get into making a second one. I actually can't remember how I did it. Was it something like this? Huh, yeah, it actually was. Huh. Interesting. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Yeah, what I'm trying to make is kind of like a carrot form. And of course, because it's gonna be a kawaii one, then it's not gonna look that realistic, but yeah, I guess that's okay. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going for... You are not supposed to be in this video yet. You come later. Wait until it's your turn. Thank you. Clay sometimes. Alright, and then we try to make what is that actually called on top of a carrot's head? Leaves? Grass? I don't know. I'm not quite sure how many. I guess around 5 or 6 is okay. We take, or at least that's how I understood it when I watched other people do it. Wait, what? We try and press them kind of like together so it looks like grass, something. And then to make it stick, I think, we are gonna cut off just a little bit. Wait, you did not want to come? You better come. And then we will try to add this one. Yep, I can already see I've done something wrong here, but there's nothing to do about it. Now that they also happily want to stick together. Let's see if I at least cannot get them a little apart. Okay. And then just need to figure out where we want. Yeah, let's take here. I need to quickly put it here behind the camera. Don't worry, you're not missing anything out. I'm just making another hole. Like so. And then we take... And welcome, Mr. Black Dot. Come up to me then. Thank you. Then I'm just gonna make sure it's round. And then we put it in. All right. And then I'm gonna add the small Kawaii. I don't even know if that's what they actually call, but those shiny white dots in the eyes. Yeah, let's call them Kawaii attachment. No, Kawaii shine in the eyes. Okay. And then we're gonna add them. All right. And then we add the blush. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And now I want to try make the mouth. What I basically just did was taking some black clay and keep rolling it all the way until it became this thin. It's almost like a hair root. No, hair string? Hair? Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. All I'm saying is it's very thin. I actually think I first want to start making those carrot marks. And since I don't have a needle tool, I was thinking just using like a regular toothpick. Okay. It's a little harder when I have a camera in front of me, but I guess it became okay. It became okay. And then the scary part, adding the mouth. Alright, now we have attached the mouth. Then I will go ahead and attach what are they called again? An eye pin? I could be wrong. And to try and make it a little easy, I'm just gonna take this one and find the hole, or the place I want to have the hole. Poke it in, boop, like so. Like that. So this is how it turned out. I'm actually okay satisfied with it. As always, there is always some mistakes here and there. And if we compare it to the other one I made, you can see that I had miscalculated. I don't know. I had forgotten how the top looked like, so of course this one got a little thinner look. I'm sorry that you got thinner hair, but you still look good. And the body too is a little different, and the mouth too, and yeah. But that's how it is, just like with humans. Ooh. No, you're not allowed to go anywhere. Just like with humans, we are all different and unique. Just like these two. Stop rolling in my hand. Yeah, just like these two. He really doesn't want to get filmed. Are you shy or something? But I'm actually satisfied with it. Like, of course it could be cool if I could just make clones, but nope, not this time. So here is the final little guy. I don't know if you can I? Well, you saw him earlier. But yeah, I'm okay with it. It's after all a learning process for me, so nothing looks perfect in the start, but yeah. But that's it for this time. Make sure to check out my other videos and leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, it would be nice if you want to join this little channel. Yeah, exactly. If you would like to join this little channel, by subscribe, that'll be awesome. And yeah, take care everyone, bye.